फुलांचं गुपित कळीत असतं, भुंग्याला ते कळणार कसं? आजच्या कार्यक्रमात काय दडलंय हे प्रस्ताविकाशिवाय कळणार कसं? औरंगाबाद मोबाईलचे डीजम सर श्रीयुत निकम साहेब यांना मी या कार्यक्रमाचे प्रस्तावित करण्यासाठी मंचावर आमंत्रित करतो. श्रीयुत R.D. निकम सर.
Respected Senior GM Mobile Sri Mohan Lal ji, respected Senior GM Sri Raj Shekhar ji, respected Senior GM Mobile Pune Sri Sautkar ji, Sri Patel GMT Jalgaon, TDM Janla Sri Kawade ji, and all the BSNL employee and their family members. First of all, a very good evening for attending this program. Today we gathered here to give the award to the distinguished BSNL employee of the mobile section of 7 to 8 districts which were under DJ Mobile Aurangabad. These people we are observing for last 7 to 8 years and still never noticed for their work or performance anywhere. What we observe whenever the awards are given from the BSNL office or whatever the BSNL awards are there, to the best of my knowledge, none of these people who are working in the field or GSM network or monitoring had ever nominated for this award. This is not mean they are been discriminated or something else. The people who set at senior level or who manning this award for all these things, they are not aware that apart from the core network at Pune, where the mobile core network is there are people in the fields who also contribute to the mobile service. They are the only people who contribute a lot. Okay. At the same time, there is no category for the mobiles, special category for the mobile services where the mobile people are going to get the award. Because BSNL, whatever the going on for the last 50 to 60 years, only one award throughout the Maharashtra, something in one particular category, and that was also from all the sections. And for the best of my knowledge, I have seen there are various people, their performance are equal level. So even though if BSNL try to give the award to these mobile guys, then also it's not possible that the person who is performing well for 5 to 6 years, he is going to get his appreciation within next 2 or 3 years. Because once a year, only one person in one category. So there is not possible that these 22, 23 people will going to get appreciated within their lifespan or within their short period. This is the lacuna in the system also. At the same time, our people who are working in the field, though they are performing very good, but since this is a teamwork, most of the, though they do better than others, but some of the chain of this particular teamwork not performing to the up to the mark of the customer satisfaction. So most of the time we get backtrack about the service performance or BSNL services, all these things. So these people who perform very good, they used to get a disappointment. So what we thought, this is the only good platform where we can distribute the awards to maximum staff. Accordingly, we decided to have the private function where we contributed from ourselves from the 3 districts of which are come under me, Jalgaon, Janla, Aurangabad. All the mobile section contributed for this function. And we thought that instead of giving just normal awards or something, we should have some cultural program where they can be felicitated in better way. It not be some sort of incentive. So at the same time, we arrange the cultural program. And in this particular program, now we are going to felicitate at least 23 best distinguished people who are working hard for consistently for last 5 to 7 years. And this awards is keeping in mind that these people might be dismotivated at this moment because for the 5 to 6 years they have not been recognized. But we hope that they should consider that at someone there or some at moment, they should not get discouraged that someone is appreciating at appropriate moment. So whatever their disappointment or something else that we eliminated, they'll be motivated. And considering this sort of program, I think this should go in other places of BSNL also. So other BSNL staff, in the, not only mobile section, but the broadband and all these services, they also should work hard. They are working, the others should appreciate their work, should be recognized. Okay. And they also going to get motivated. This is the background of this particular program to arrange here. And this with brief conclusion, I'll just end my speech. Thank you very much.